Anyway, so the next question which we will look is this question. Okay, I'm sending you the link. Please have a look. And let me know once you understand it.
Okay.
Okay, is the question clear?
Yes, bro.
Okay, what about others, Sam and Manan?
Can you explain?
Yeah.
So, like there is a road. Okay, let's assume there is a road and there are some buildings. Okay, there are some buildings, and each building has kind of pizza store maybe. Okay, let's say you are sitting at this building. Okay, say Manan is here and you want to order a pizza. Okay, now pizza can be ordered from anywhere. Okay, so the thing is,
Yeah.
let's say if you are ordering from, you are at building A and this is building B. Okay, so in order to bring a pizza from building B to building A, there is a cost involved. And what's that cost? The cost is PA plus
P-
P minus B. Okay, so in our case, it is PB plus A minus B. Okay, means from where you are asking that cost. Okay, if you see, it is if you order a pizza from building A to building B. Okay, that means uh, now is it fine? Okay, you are at building
yes.
ordering a pizza from building A, so the cost is PA,
Really.
cost plus the distance between them. Okay, so you have to tell what's the minimum cost to bring the pizza to your building. Okay, I mean there are multiple possibilities, right? Either you can bring it from here or here or here, here or here. So there are multiple possibilities. So out of them, you need to tell me what's the minimum cost in order to bring a pizza to your building. Okay. So is the question clear, Sam and Sanas?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understood.
Okay. Now, so this is the question. The second thing is the pizza price. That is, this is a cost of PA, right? You can change it to some other cost also. I mean the update operation in segmentary. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
first thing to realize, are you guys able to think of segmentary? Matlab, there is the change, obviously. So update operation is there. And second is, out of all,
Mm.
we need to kind of fetch the minimum or something. So can we write a
Yes,
DP?
yes.
Is DP possible on this? So the first thing is the query. I mean, it is changing, right? Every time they might ask you
Mm.
to change this multiple times. So the DP doesn't work because if it's a DP, it should be a static stuff. And somehow you see that one brute force is if you are at here, you can try to go on all the buildings and get the pizza. Right? Out of all of them, which is giving you the minimum, that's the answer. So is it
Yes.
brute force everyone can do? I mean, are you guys okay with brute force?
Yep.
So Manan, can you do brute on this?
Actually, can you take example question once?
864575.
7 5.
Okay. What's the thing? 1kx or 2k? 1kx means what? For what's that? 1kx what, man? K ka the pizza price in building K becomes X. Okay. So
X.
the fifth building ka cost becomes 1. That
Mm,
Okay.
building ka cost becomes 1.
update query, right?
Yes. So this is 1.
Okay.
Mm,
Now the thing is you have to get it from building 2. Building 2 से किसका किसका मतलब you are staying at this building, okay, and
mm.
bring a pizza.
Okay. Hmm.
You
Which
have
is
to,
the best place to order?
yeah, okay.
So now value will be 1 plus 4 minus 1 on the like
1
answer. So you have to bring from
इधर से
Any place.
you are at I.
if you are at
हाँ.
if you are
So
bringing
hmm?
तुम ही बोल दो यार.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. I'm asking कि अब question में from where you have to bring. Where are we standing and from where you have to bring पूछ रहा
अरे
हूँ.
that's the question, no, that you are standing at which, you are standing at what, 2k. What is 2k? 2k means the pizza price in the building. Sas, is am I correct that we are standing at building 2?
Yes, yes. So we need to like order from any building such that it will cost minimum.
Yes. So what happens if I order it from here? I mean, I'm standing here. What's the minimum cost? If I bring it from here, it's
Three.
nothing but 1 plus
1 minus 4.
No, no, no. Indexes we need to subtract.
इंडेक्स होना ना मनन, a minus b.
हाँ.
हाँ तो क्या होगा?
A is index इसमें. A B.
a b is our index. a
I
b
think three is the answer.
The answer is 4. Are we reading something wrong? See, first query is 2 2. First query is 2 2. Okay,
Mhm.
which is 864575. Wait, guys. 864575. We need to wait. 2k. Okay. So assume that we are at this building. We are at this building. Okay. If we are at this building, guys, what's the minimum cost to bring? Let's say if I
4.
if I bring it from here, what will be my cost? 8 plus, can I say 0 minus 2 minus 0, which is 10.
Yes, 10.
मनन समझ में आया
10.
ये वाला? 8 plus
Yes,
the
correct.
difference between them. If I bring it from here, what's the cost? 6 plus 2
Then
minus
yes.
1.
6 plus 2 minus 1.
If I bring it from here itself, it is nothing but 4 plus 0.
4.
Just wait for a second.
Yeah.
Mm.
हाँ,
1 based indexing కదా like question
ठीक है, ठीक है,
No, no,
ठीक
no,
है.
no.
0 plus
Pararuma,
0. There are n buildings on a street numbered 1 to n.
Yeah, so you're telling it's a one based. It's a one based only, Manan. But even if you keep one based also, it will be nothing but 3 minus 1, right? It will be nothing but
Yeah, correct.
yeah,
Uh,
3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, like that. So now if you bring it from this building itself, it is, so can we bring it from the same building? I guess no. It's not
Yes.
possible, right? So you
No.
need to obviously bring it from either from here or from here. Okay, I believe. So for this it will be nothing but 5 plus 5 plus
4 minus 2.
4
4 minus 3. 1, 6. 2, 10, 7, 6,
So
10,
this should
7,
be the answer,
6.
right? Probably, like, why the answer is given as 5? It should be, if you are at building 2, अरे भाई यही तो गलती कर दी है.
We have to change. We have
नहीं,
to change na 6 को to.
this is where we should stand. We should not stand here. We have to stand here, man. Okay, this is one. They gave it one based indexing, right? One based indexing means
Yes.
this is 1, this is 2. What we were thinking, 0, 1, 2. So we should stand it here. Now if you see here, the best way to bring pizza is nothing but from here only, which is nothing but 4 plus 3 minus 2. Correct? Now is it fine? Okay.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so 4 plus 3 minus 2 is 5. Now what they are saying is, go ahead and change something. Go ahead, change the fifth element to 1. 864515. Now again we are standing here. What's the best way to bring? If I bring it from here, what's the answer? 1 plus 5 minus, can I say it's 4? If I am standing at this building and if I bring a pizza from here, the answer is nothing but 1 plus
That is 7, bro.
7. Where is 7, man?
865 865
5 minus
864 575.
Sam, we have
You wrote
changed.
it as 1.
No, we have changed it, right? 151. Change the fifth building ka cost to 1. Can you see this query? There is one more query, no?
Okay. After change. Yes. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is 1. So now did you understand, guys, why the answer is 4?
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay. Saz, did you understand?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Chalo. So this is what the problem is, okay? So they will give you some random building. You should tell from where we should bring the pizza. So how can we do this efficiently? Okay. So what we will do, we'll have a little bit of diagrammatic visual. Let's say you are at this house. Okay. There are only two possibilities, right? What are the two possibilities? Either bring the pizza from here or bring the pizza from here. Correct? So if I am at this position, in order to take any jth hotel or any jth room, what will be my cost? Can I say the cost will be nothing but P of j plus j minus I? If this is I, how many of you agree with this point that if I bring from any j on the right side, the cost will be this?
Yes.
Correct. Yes.
What about this? If there is some j, what about this one? Can anyone tell this?
P of j plus I minus j.
Exactly. Correct. This is what, right? Now, a good trick
Mm.
in data structures and algorithms on solving this kind of problems is, do you see we are standing on ith index, and the variable,
Mm.
what is the variable part? The variable part, I mean the thing which is continuously changing is this, correct? So can I write the first equation as, I mean the first equation is p of j plus j minus I. The second equation is p of j minus j plus I. Can I say this? I just rearranged the terms. So are these the same equations? Uh, Are these the same equations?
It's not loaded yet for me. Now it loaded.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now
No.
are these the same equation, guys? This and this.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the changing part? The changing part is, because you're already standing at I, right? So I can be subtracted or added up to us. But if we can maintain this value in a segment tree, are we done?
Yes.
So what we need to do, we need to find out the minimum value, right? What's the minimum cost to bring a pizza? So which data structure, I mean, what kind of segment tree I should maintain on this, whether a max segment tree or a min segment tree in order to
Min segment. Min.
min segment tree, right? Because this is our variable where we are standing, wherever they give us in the query. If we can maintain a data structure, I mean, if we can maintain a segment tree of p of j plus j as one segment tree, okay, and p of j plus j as one segment tree, can I say we can easily query it up among all the houses which is having less value this and which is having less value this? Can I say that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So the brute force was what? You were trying to iterate on all the j's. Instead of iterating on all the j's, if I can maintain a segment tree which can tell me the least value of p of j plus j and the least value of p of j minus j, I can just add minus I and plus I, and among them, which is giving me the minimum answer, I am done.
Yes. Correct.
Correct, right?
Yes.
So what do you think? Like if you maintain two segment tree, first segment tree for p of j plus j, the second segment tree of p of j minus j, I am done with the answer. That's it. And whenever they give you an update query, go to segment tree, update the value of p of j. That's all. So
Yes.
can you guys do this?
Okay. So in the case of update, we need to update two trees, right?
Yes, we need to update two trees, right?
Yeah. Correct. Okay. Yeah,
So
I got it.
somehow it takes only log n time, right? So log n plus log n is 2 log n, which is log n only.
Mm.
Okay. So maintain two segment trees, one for p of j plus j, one for p of j minus j. Okay. Do a query on this, do minus I. Do the minimum query on this, do plus I. Among both of them, m1 comma min1 comma min2, you should take the minimum, and that will be your answer. Okay. Same as min segment tree only. So can you guys try to write the code for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, bro.